Welcome everyone. Today we're diving deep into the world of nutrition and fitness, exploring how the right foods can supercharge your workouts and help you achieve your weight loss goals. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, understanding how to fuel your body is crucial. Let's get started. Let's begin with runners. As you lace up your shoes and hit the pavement, what you eat can significantly impact your performance. Carbohydrates are your best friend here. They provide the energy your muscles need to keep moving. For a pre-run meal, consider oatmeal topped with banana and a drizzle of honey. Oats are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates which release energy slowly, keeping you fueled throughout your run. Bananas are rich in potassium, which helps prevent cramps, while honey provides a quick energy boost. After you finish your run, it's time to recover. A grilled chicken salad is perfect. Load up on mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and avocado, topped with a light vinaigrette. The chicken offers lean protein for muscle recovery, while the avocado provides healthy fats to keep you satiated. This meal not only helps replenish your energy, but also supports muscle repair and growth. Now let's shift gears to weightlifting. Building muscle requires a slightly different approach. Protein is your star here. It's essential for muscle growth and repair, and pairing it with the right carbohydrates can optimize your workout. Before lifting weights, try whole grain toast with almond butter and sliced apple. Whole grain toast gives you sustained energy, while almond butter adds a nice dose of protein and healthy fats. Apples are a great source of fiber, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. After your workout, refueling is crucial. A quinoa bowl with black beans, grilled veggies, and a sprinkle of feta cheese is not only nutritious, but also delicious. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, which is vital for muscle recovery. The black beans add fiber and extra protein, making this meal a powerhouse for post-workout nourishment. Between meals, healthy snacks play a significant role in maintaining your energy levels and keeping your metabolism active. A great option is Greek yogurt with mixed berries. This snack is not only high in protein, but also packed with antioxidants. You can even add a drizzle of honey for a touch of sweetness. Another satisfying snack is hummus paired with carrot and cucumber sticks. Hummus is made from chickpeas, providing a solid protein source, while the veggies add fiber and crunch. It's a perfect way to stave off hunger and keep your energy up throughout the day. Now that we've covered nutrition, let's explore ways to boost your metabolism. Metabolism plays a crucial role in burning fat and can be influenced by various lifestyle factors. One effective method is incorporating high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, into your routine. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by rest or low-intensity periods. This not only enhances your oxygen intake, but also stimulates the mitochondria in your cells, which are the powerhouses that help burn fat. For example, you might sprint for 30 seconds, then walk for a minute, repeating this cycle for 15 to 20 minutes. This method keeps your metabolism elevated long after your workout is finished. It's important to be mindful of your caloric intake. Severely restricting calories can lead your body to slow down its metabolism, making it harder to lose weight. Instead, aim for a balanced diet filled with whole, nutrient-dense foods. Consulting a registered dietitian can be beneficial to determine your individual energy needs. They can help you calculate your resting metabolic rate and create a personalized eating plan that supports your fitness goals. Consistency is key. When you exercise regularly, your body continues to burn calories even after you finish. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise each week. Mix in cardio workouts like running or cycling with strength training to build muscle mass, which contributes to a higher resting metabolic rate. Avoiding trans fats found in many processed foods is another way to support a healthy metabolism. These fats can impede your body's ability to burn fat efficiently. Instead, prioritize whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Increasing your protein intake can help rev up your metabolism. Protein requires more energy to digest compared to fats or carbohydrates. Consider adding protein-rich foods to your meals, such as lean meats, dairy, legumes, and plant-based alternatives. You could even blend a scoop of whey protein into your morning smoothie for an easy boost. If you enjoy coffee, You'll be happy to know that caffeine can enhance your metabolism. Caffeine stimulates the central nervous system and increases fat breakdown. Just remember to consume it in moderation. Incorporating green tea or oolong tea into your routine can also be beneficial. These teas contain antioxidants that may promote fat oxidation. Enjoying a warm cup in the morning or iced tea in the afternoon can be a simple way to support your metabolism. Find ways to incorporate more movement into your daily life. Simple changes, like taking the stairs instead of the elevator or walking during your lunch break, can make a significant difference over time. Managing stress is essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism. Chronic stress can lead to increased cortisol levels, which is associated with weight gain. Consider stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or simply taking a walk in nature. Lastly, never underestimate the power of sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support your metabolism and overall health. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule and creating a relaxing bedtime routine can help improve your sleep quality. Now that you have practical strategies to boost your metabolism, let's break down a week-long eating and workout plan to put these ideas into action. Day 1. Monday. Start your week strong with a warm bowl of oatmeal topped with banana and honey. This simple meal will give you sustained energy for your morning activities. Picture yourself enjoying this cozy breakfast while planning your goals for the week ahead. For a mid-morning boost, grab a cup of Greek yogurt with mixed berries. It's like a little bowl of sunshine to brighten your day and keep those hunger pangs at bay. Treat yourself to a vibrant grilled chicken salad for lunch, loaded up with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and creamy avocado, drizzled with a light vinaigrette. Imagine sitting down to this refreshing meal, feeling recharged and ready to tackle the afternoon. When that afternoon slump hits, reach for some hummus with crunchy carrot and cucumber sticks. It's a satisfying, crunchy snack that will keep you energized for the rest of the day. Wind down your day with baked salmon, served with fluffy quinoa and steamed broccoli. This delicious dinner not only fuels your body, but also gives you the satisfaction of a nourishing meal after a long day. Head out for a 30-minute run, followed by 15 minutes of core exercises. Picture yourself enjoying the fresh air as you run, feeling every step invigorate your spirit. Day 2. Tuesday. Kick off your day with whole grain toast slathered in almond butter and topped with slices of crisp apple. This breakfast is not only delicious, but also keeps you feeling full and energized as you dive into your tasks. Mid-morning, enjoy a handful of mixed nuts. They're a great grab-and-go option, and the healthy fats will keep you satisfied until lunch. Indulge in a turkey and avocado wrap for lunch, using a whole grain tortilla and pairing it with a fresh side salad. Picture enjoying this meal while catching up on your favorite podcast or chatting with a friend. Treat yourself to cottage cheese with pineapple in the afternoon. This sweet and creamy snack is a delightful way to keep your energy up. Whip up some stir-fried tofu with colorful veggies over brown rice for dinner. This easy dish is not only quick to prepare, but also bursting with flavors that will delight your taste buds. Focus on upper body strength today with a weightlifting session. Imagine feeling empowered as you challenge yourself and see those muscles working hard. Day 3. Wednesday. Blend a refreshing smoothie with spinach, banana, Greek yogurt, and almond milk for breakfast. Start your day with a burst of nutrients, knowing you're fueling your body with the best. Enjoy some crunchy celery sticks with peanut butter mid-morning. This classic combo will keep you satisfied until lunch. Dive into a hearty quinoa salad with black beans, corn, and diced peppers for lunch. Think about how good it feels to nourish your body with wholesome ingredients. For a delightful afternoon snack, enjoy sliced bell peppers with guacamole. It's colorful, tasty, and perfect for a little pick-me-up. Treat yourself to grilled chicken breasts served with sweet potato and asparagus for dinner. Visualize enjoying this wholesome meal while relaxing after a productive day. Take a 45-minute bike ride or go for a jog. Imagine the wind on your face as you enjoy the great outdoors, recharging your mind and body. Day 4. Thursday. Start your day with chia seed pudding topped with fresh strawberries and a drizzle of honey. It's a refreshing and light way to kick off your morning. Enjoy 2 hard-boiled eggs for a protein-packed snack that will keep you energized throughout the morning. Warm up with a comforting lentil soup paired with a slice of whole grain bread for lunch. Picture yourself enjoying this nourishing bowl of goodness while savoring the flavors. Indulge in Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of granola for a crunchy addition. It's a delightful mix of creaminess and crunch to keep you going. Baked cod served with quinoa and roasted Brussels sprouts is a fantastic way to end your day. Imagine sitting down to this nutritious dinner, knowing you've made healthy choices. Focus on lower body strength with weightlifting today. Picture yourself pushing through those last few reps, feeling accomplished and strong. Day 5, Friday. Enjoy overnight oats made with almond milk, topped with walnuts and banana for breakfast. It's an easy and nutritious way to start your Friday. Treat yourself to apple slices with cheese for a delightful snack that's both sweet and savory. Savor a spinach and feta stuffed chicken breast with a refreshing side salad for lunch. Imagine enjoying this meal as a reward for making it through the week. Grab a handful of trail mix featuring nuts and dried fruit. It's a perfect pick-me-up that you can easily take with you. Zucchini noodles with marinara sauce and turkey meatballs is a light and satisfying option for dinner. Picture enjoying this meal while unwinding from the week's hustle. Get your heart pumping with a 30-minute high-height workout. Imagine the rush of endorphins as you push yourself to the max and feel accomplished afterward. Day 6. Saturday, scramble eggs with spinach and serve with whole grain toast for breakfast. This hearty meal will fuel your weekend adventures. Blend a smoothie with mixed berries and Greek yogurt for a refreshing treat mid-morning. Enjoy grilled shrimp tacos with cabbage slaw and avocado for lunch. Picture yourself savoring this delicious meal while enjoying a sunny day. Snack on rice cakes topped with almond butter. It's a light, crunchy option that keeps your energy up. Create a colorful vegetable stir-fry with brown rice for dinner. Imagine this vibrant dish brightening your dinner table and nourishing your body. Go for a long run, 60 minutes, or join a group fitness class. Picture the camaraderie and support from others, helping you push your limits. Day 7. Sunday, savor protein pancakes topped with fresh fruit and a dollop of yogurt for breakfast. It's a sweet way to celebrate the end of your week. Enjoy cucumber slices with tzatziki for a refreshing and light snack. Bite into a black bean burger served with sweet potato fries for lunch. Imagine how satisfying this meal feels as a treat for your hard work throughout the week. Snack on edamame sprinkled with sea salt. It's a fun, nutritious option that keeps you on track. End the week with roast chicken paired with mixed roasted vegetables. Picture enjoying this hearty meal as you reflect on your week and plan for the next. Engage in active recovery with yoga or gentle stretching. Imagine how good it feels to relax and recharge your body for the upcoming week. By incorporating these meals and workouts into your routine, you'll not only be well on your way to achieving your fitness goals, but also enjoy every moment of the process. Remember to stay hydrated and listen to your body as you explore these delicious, healthy foods and invigorating workouts. Thanks so much for watching, and welcome to the vegan family. Thanks so much for tuning into my channel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips, strategies, and insights into living a healthier life. I upload new videos regularly, so hit the notification bell to stay updated. And as always, feel free to leave your questions or success stories in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Love to hear.